Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of Tech Over. Today in this video I just want to show how to unsubscribe or cancel your Microsoft 365 subscriptions. So open the browser, go on microsoft.com. Once you got this page, just click on the profile you got here on the right corner side, then go on Microsoft account. And here you can see we got the subscriptions on the left side. Just click to open the subscriptions to check your plan. As you can see, I got my family plan. If I just want to unsubscribe this plan, what you're gonna do, you're gonna click on manage, and now here I have cancel subscription. When I click on it, it's going to ask me, are you sure about to cancel the subscription? Yes, I'm sure. Scroll down to find out the button you can cancel the subscription, which is over here. So click on it, and here you can see our Microsoft Office subscription has been cancelled on this page. So this is all about how to unsubscribe your Microsoft Office subscriptions. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. See you until next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.